So this is Starfall. I'm going to show you kind of how to use it. You can use it as a free version. You don't get all of the access to it, or you can also do it as as a school if your school pays for it, and then you can have the whole version. So like the ABC ones, I have a lot of ESL students in my classroom, so they're still learning just their basic ABCs. Um, so they click on the letter, it shows them the letter A, capital and lowercase, makes the sounds for them so they can know the sounds. Then they'll just click through A, A. And then you click, like, they'll click the letter A, apple. Then you click they want to click the A again, A, showing you apples because it's more than one, so it's plural. It's just teaching them basic letters, the sounds, and things like that. There's also, this one's one of my favorite. Um, they do like a dance. This one, so it just goes through different ways to listen to the letters to hear it. There's also learning to read. Also, there's some math ones. See, like this is the if you join today, you can access all of that. But the stuff on the side, on the left side right here, is all activities that they can do for free, like learning to read. Like we can work on the and at families, and there's the game, there's a book, and then there's like a skill afterwards. So like we can click on like the and family. So we've got for ran, the run ran, can, and it'll tell them the sounds fan. It goes through it with them to make words. Um, so it's teaching them ways to read. This is great, like I said, for my ESL students. Also good for students. Like I do also have some lower reading levels. Like I teach fifth grade, so like I have like DRA 8s and 12s in my classroom that are also on. I have IEPs. So this is a great site like for them to just learn basic, reading comprehension or not. Sorry, reading like strategies to help them learn how to even sound out words and begin to read to help them so they can do that reading comprehension afterwards because it's hard to be able to understand what you're reading when you can't read it yourself. So this is Starfall.